Rebound by Timur. And now to number 26, Leon. Last 20 seconds. Number 3 to number 11, Gardinas. And drive pass to number 24, Savignano. And no good. Rebound by number 11, Gardinas. And Gardinas to Savignano again. To number. And no good. And now, number 14, Doria. And Doria drives. No good. Rebound by number 24, Savignano. To number 11, Gardinas. And Gardinas drives to Savignano. Savignano, 2 points. Ocampo now. Number 26, Ocampo on the side, carry around, nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Savignano to number 11, Gardinas. Gardinas back to Savignano. To Gardinas again.
Baka pamasira ng pagi. Kaya kayo.
2 points. And number 17.
Ito na naman mo.
Doria, number 13.
Ba't sira
To
ko yung
number
ginawa?
13. Sasalaksak ng boss. 2 points.
Ben, narakar mo ni. Arakar mo ni. Arakar mo.
Savignano to number 11, Gardinas. Gardinas now is strongly guarded by number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Fernandez now, may diretso. To number Blanco Campo. Number 24 to number 3 to number 11. Gardinas now. Perimeter shot, but no good. Rebound. Number 13, Doria to number 14. Another Doria. And Fernandez to Gardinas. Ball to Fernandez. And wide Fernandez on the middle and that. Nakuha si number 13, nagmamadali to number 11. And no good. Rebound by Savignano to number 11, Gardinas. And now Gardinas to number 24, Savignano. On the block, 2 points. And now, Clyde Ocampo gets the ball for his teammates. Ocampo now, and drives on the middle. Nasepion, number 11. Now, number 24, Luis, to number 24, Savignano. Elias, and 2 points. Number 17. To number 14, Doria. And Doria now. Clyde Ocampo on the side. Sige, tawag nila. Zarate is it. First personal foul on Lewis. And second team foul number 11. Leon, 2 points. And number 3 to number 9, Magno. And Magno now, they discarded. Pasa kay Claveria. Claveria on the side. Right middle. Rebound by Ocampo. Pass play to Doria. 2 points. Number 3. Offensive foul. Committed by number 3. Fernandez. Personal foul. And then foul of Barangay Ipan on this third quarter. And now Ocampo. Ocampo now, mahanap ng discard. Nasa kay number 11. Number 11, Sarah Milan. Kaya 2 points. However, it is 43-33. Saktong kalamangan ng Barangay Fernandez. And to Claveria, Black. Back to Fernandez. Fernandez to Limes. 2 points. Ocampo Macmo to number 17.
Ano sila ba?
Lee Guzman.
Kurta, kurta.
To number 26. And second to shoot. Inside pass to number 11. No good. Rebound by Lee Guzman, but it's still no good. Mapupunta pa rin sa number 14, Gloria, but short. And there is a foul. Foul number 3, to foul. Fernandez, third personal foul. Number 11 is out, replaced by number 10, Pasuki. Another substitution. Lewis is out. Fernandez is out. Alfonso Mensabiniano is in. And for the free throw of Gloria Presto is in. And for the second throw, it is again. And now, number 9, Marco. So number 24, Sabiniano. Barrister, rebound by Clyde to number 13, Gloria. Guarded by Sabiniano. And turning the ball, number 24, Sabiniano. First personal foul of Sabiniano. And Barangay is now in the penalty situation on his third quarter. Is out again, number 26 for the rebound. Number 26 for the 2 points. And now, number 8, number 5, Magno. Of Kabundatan, first row Magno. You see? And for the second row, number 26 now, Clyde Ocampo. Dito ngayon yung Ocampo. And good. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin yung Ocampo. So now this for the Guzman. So that's 2 points. Time out. Time out. Kabundatan. Gloria now. And right, Gloria. No good. Bola. Mapupunta sa Barangay Ikan. Number 9, Magno. Magno now. Didiretso na si Magno. Pass to number 24, Sabiniano. No good. Balik kay Magno. Magno to 2 points. Number 10, Pasuki to number 17. And right, number 14, Gloria to 2 points. Number 9, Magno. Magno to number 8. No good. Saved by Magno. And now Magno to Sabiniano on the side. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass play to Doria. And now Doria is strongly guarded by number 24. Sabiniano turn around on the side. Nawala si Sabiniano yun. That is number 13. Doria on 2 points. So number 6, no good. Save Sabiniano now, turn around then. Fade away, no good. 49-43. Anim na lang ang kalabanan ng Barangay Ikan. Diretso, but there's a foul. Kabundatan. Barangay Ikan is now in the penalty situation. First row. Second row, number 11 is in also. Number 15. and drives to number 8, back, number 24, Sabignano, back to number 8, no good.
Binak punda yan, binak punda.
First and final, Barangay Ikan. Number 9, Magno, Magno, and drives to number 3, Fernandez, drives to number 0, and wala pa rin, number 9, Magno, nakuha, didiretso to number 13, to number 13, no good. Substitution. And now, number 5, number 9, Magno, to Fernandez. Number 9, Magno, to 2 points. 40 seconds, time remaining. Number 26, Ocampo drives for three, back to no good. Rebound by Fernandez, and now, didiretso to Magno, and Magno, Leon, connects 2 points. And number 22, 20 seconds, number 13, turning around Doria, lucky bounce, connects 2 points. And now, number 6, Zarate, to number Rivera. By Rivera. And now, number 8. And that's the end of the third quarter. Rebound by Ocampo. Back to Ocampo. Didiretso ngayon, number 17, back no good. And now number 9, Magno, pass back to number 6, and Lucy handle for the Barangay Ikan. And now number 13, Doria. Doria now. Didiretso to Doria. Nagaw ang bola. Now Magno, Leon, easy 2 points at Magno. Pass to slide. Number 11, Lakwata. So number 2 points. Siguro rather. And number 5, Zarate, Rivera, and no good.
Sip to yung bola.
Number 9, Magno, to number 6, Zarate, and Zarate back to Magno, medyo malakas. Now Magno, and traveling violation committed by number 9, Magno. Our defense is quickly 51. That is level 1 lead by Barangay Ikan. And now, number 14 to Ocampo. Ocampo drives for 3, but no good. Number 6, Zarate is now replaced by number 24, Sabignano. And now number 3, Fernandez. Fernandez now gagawa ng diskarte. Pasa kay Rivera. Rivera back to Fernandez. 2. And this is being handled for the Barangay Ikan. And now Gloria. 2. Number 26, Felipe shot, but no good. Bola. Mapupunta ngayon sa Barangay Number 34, easy foul to number. Number 9, Magno, and drives in the middle. But the first thing for number 9, Magno, and for the second throw. It's the Charity of Magno. And now, Ocampo. To number 26, to number 13, Doria. No good. Rebound by number 24, Lewis. And Lewis now to Fernandez. Fernandez to number 24, Sabiniano. Perimeter shot. No good. Number 13, Doria to wide open kay Ocampo for 2 points. Number 9, Magno. Magno to Fernandez. And Fernandez. 10 seconds to shoot. Bola. Mapupuk substitution. Number 1, Rivera is out. Play for number 15, Claveria. And now, number 11 to number 26, Ocampo. Ocampo drives for 3, but no good. Rebound by number 9, Magno. And now Magno to number 24, Sabiniano to Fernandez. Back to Magno. And Magno now to Sabiniano. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 24, pass break to number 13, and number 13, side step up, no good. Rebound by number 9, Magno. And now, Magno to number 15, no good. Number 26, Ocampo. Ocampo now. Hahanap ng diskarte, Ocampo. Drives for 3, but no good. Follow up by number 13, and number 17 sa ilalim. But there is a foul. Foul number 9. Quarter. Because one first throw. Bangau Barangay Ikan. Number 6 to number 9, Magno. And Magno to number 3, Fernandez. Back to Magno. Magno now. Hahanap ng diskarte. Magno. Bigay kay number 24. Sabiniano. Nagpumilit pero mahigpit ang guardia. Pass break to Doria. And Doria now. Wide open. Easy 2 points of Doria. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Magno to number 3, Fernandez. Fernandez now drives the ball to number 6, Duarte. Not no good. Number 26, Ocampo now. Ocampo drives the ball. Ocampo drives on the middle. But there's a foul. Foul number 3. Fernandez. Fourth personal foul, Fernandez. 13 seconds for the shot clock. 13 seconds for the shot clock. Doria to Ocampo. 10 seconds to shoot. And Ocampo, long 3, but no good. Bola, mapupunta sa Barangay Ikan. Sliding ball by Claveria to number 9, Magno. And Magno now. Magno drives on the middle. And Ocampo now to number 14, Doria. Diretso ngayon si Doria. Doria. And good. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Ikan. Number 9, Magno. Magno to Fernandez. And Fernandez drives sa Sabiniano. No good. A rebound by number 15, Last. After. And Doria now is trying to get it number 9, Alfredo. And foul number number 14. Second personal foul. And second team foul of Kabalagatan. And now, number 3, Fernandez to Sabignano. 5, 10 seconds to shoot.
Ikaw ni
Sabignano.
mo si Bintin ko na mo si 16.
Raising ball number 17 to right Ocampo number 26. And Ocampo diretso nakalusot. Nakakuha ng 2 puntos. Dadalawa na lang ang kalabangan ng Barangay Ilan. And Sabignano perimeter shot. Unang 2 points nabawi. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Ilan. Diretso Doria to Ocampo. Ocampo unang 2 points. And now, didiretso ngayon si Pacto. Magno to Sabignano. To Fernandez. Back to Magno. And 2 points. Foul. A warning for number 6. Bordering the game. Warning for number 6. Zarape for Nimbabay Sibor, looking for the receiver now, number 13. Major Janayan, number 13. Pass to try the campo, and there's a foul. 14 seconds for the shot clock. Number 17, Guzman to try the campo. 5 turn around. Dadalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng Barangay Kabulagan. Number 6, Zarape. And now, number 9, to Fernandez, number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. Sabignano, no good. Nakuha pa rin ni Sabignano. No good. 14 seconds for the shot clock. 14 seconds for the shot clock. And now, number 6, Zarape. Nimbabay Zarape, looking for the receiver. Nakuha number 13 to try the campo. Number 26. Didiretso ngayon. And 2 points. Deborah tayo. 63-0. And number 9, Magno. Magno now. And drive. And another rebound by number 11, Sibor. To number 14, Doria. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Diretso ngayon, Sibor. But no good. And number 11, Sibor. Napante. Traveling violation. Barangay Kabulagan. Sana muli. Back to the ball game.
Kabalang
Get ready. Polo Norte and Yado for the third game.
break ko na.
Number 0, Macaral. Macaral now. Drive the ball. Macaral to Fernandez. Nadir. Number 24 to number 13. Doria. 2. Doria number 26. Ocampo Ramirez. Inside pass to the ball. Follow up by Clyde. And unang 2 points, lamang na ngayon ang Barangay Kabulagan. Number 0, Magno. Magno na, didiretso si Magno, but no good. Ball pa rin, and sa lead. Foul number 59 seconds time remaining on the fourth quarter. The second throw. This big shot. Ocampo now. To number 13, Doria. Look for the receiver, number 17, Guzman. 2, Clyde, Ocampo, number 13, 10 seconds to shoot. Nasubok yun, itakbo, pero nakuha. Itakbo agad ang Sibor. Pasok ako. And there is a foul. Foul number 24 sa Bicniano.
Dipinsa.
Pagkakang now. Bola balik ng Barangay Kabundatan, time remaining. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Anong labo?
Isang kalamangan ang nadulas niya. To number 11 si Boy, ngayon inside pass to number 11. There's a foul counted set by the referee. Foul number 34, Lewis. Second personal foul. And now, is it? 64, apat ngayon ang kalamangan ng Barangay Kabundatan. Number 24. Bola napupunta sa Kabundatan. Para napagalitan ng first game. And now, number 17, Guzman. Nakuha ni Magno. Last 59 seconds. Time remaining. Last 59 seconds. And now, Ocampo, Tutoria. Naibigay pa kay Ocampo. And now, number 13, Victoria. Didiretso. Looks for the receiver, number 13, Victoria. And there you go. Offensive foul. Number 17, Guzman. Fourth personal foul of Kabundatan. Fourth team foul of Kabundatan. For last 48 seconds. And now, to number 0, number 9, sa Bicniano. Bola mapupunta sa Barangay Kabundatan with just last 39 seconds. Time remaining.
Walang hila. Abay mo po, sabay.
Para laban ng Tubor at Alupa.
Number 9 naman. Number 9. Rebound by Tibor. And now to number 26, Leon. And the next 32 seconds. Albano number 5. Last 20 seconds. 3 points of Ocampo. 10 seconds. Number 9. Halo.
Last 7 seconds. And that's it on the ball game.